Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, here I am at Dollar General looking at the seasonal stuff. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I do want to say a special thank you for all of those who are supporting all of my channels while I'm going through this journey. To God be the glory. Amen. Now, I have to say that Dollar General does not carry the same things as Dollar Tree, and they do have slightly better quality. I'm not sponsored, and it's just wonderful going into two different stores that sell similar prices. They actually sell stuff for $1, not $1.25, and all of this stuff is such good quality, and it's just absolutely beautiful, as you can see here. Now, always remember to head on over to my main channel or the community tab here on this channel, where you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. And this is so much fun, guys. And not only do you get to meet people, you connect with other people. They support you, you support them. We just give encouraging comments, guys. But it's just wonderful doing it as a family. Amen. Now, all of these beautiful items are going to be going on sale, and you can rest assured I will be in the store filming. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.